the length x and the width y of a rectangle can be related by the following system of equations. If both the length and width are integers, what is the area of the rectangle? Okay, the question says x gives the length of the rectangle and y gives the width of the rectangle. So now to get the area of the rectangle, we need the values of x and y, the length and width. Once we get the length and width, we can multiply them to get the area of the rectangle. Okay, now to solve for x and y in the system of given two equations, we can use Desmos. Okay, now let me give these two equations as input over here. That is 1 over 3 times x square times y equals to 400. Okay, now let me take the second equation. That is 1 over 4 times x square positive y square equals to 169. Okay, here I got the graphs of the given two equations. Now, to get the values of x and y in the given two equations, we have to consider the points of intersection of the two graphs. Okay, here we have a point of intersection. Here we have a point of intersection. Here we have 4 points of intersections. Okay, now which one has to be considered to get the values of x and y? The question says both x and y are integers. The length and width are integers, and also the length and width cannot be negative. So now in these 4 points of intersection, we have to consider the point where both the x coordinate and y coordinate are integers, and also both of them must be positive. So there is only one point, that is 10, 12. Here the x coordinate is 10, y coordinate is 12. So both x and y, the length and width are integers, and also they are positive values. Okay, our aim is to get the area of the rectangle. The formula to get the area of the rectangle is length times width. Length is 10, the width is 12. So 10 times 12 is 120. So therefore, area of the given rectangle is 120 square units.